Hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba maglagay ng password sa ating TEMU app. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And once you learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating TEMU app or yung ating TEMU account. And then, pagka-open guys, mula dito sa pinakang homepage, itap lang natin yung U na nandito sa lower part para mapunta tayo sa pinakang timeline or profile ng ating TEMU. So, dito naman guys, is itap nyo lang yung settings button na nandito sa upper right corner. And then, pagka-tap guys, itap nyo naman dito is yung account security. So, dito guys, sa account security, hanapin nyo lang yung password. And kung makikita nyo dito sa right side, meron siyang nakalagay na add. So, itatap lang natin yung add. And dito guys, mag-create na tayo ng password. So, minimum of 8 characters daw yung required dito para magawa tayo ng password. So, mag-create na tayo ng password. So, at least 8 characters. And then, after yung mailagay guys, yung password, itap na natin yung submit. So, ayan guys, kung makikita nyo, password added. So, password quality is strong. A stronger password will protect your account better. So, kapag daw nag-add tayo na password guys, mas masisecure yung account natin since may nilagay na tayong security. So, ayan lang guys, ganun lang simple kung paano nga ba maglagay ng password sa ating TEMU app. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.